Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Collum and I am the author and the owner of Top Score Writing. Welcome to Top Score Writing's homeschool course. Now when you first log in, you'll be brought to your home page, which is going to have the course that you paid for listed there. On my screen, you're going to see multiple grade levels, but whichever grade level you paid for your subscription will be listed there. Simply click on your grade level and it is going to bring you to the page that's going to list all the videos and activity pages. You'll see at the top, there's a Start Here, Module 0. Underneath Module 0 is going to be this video training that I'm doing right now if you ever want to access it again, along with the table of contents. The table of contents is going to list every single lesson and the topic that is taught in each lesson. As you continue scrolling down, you're going to see all the lessons listed there. Now, for every single lesson, there is a teacher-led video and the activity sheets that go with that lesson. As an example, if I click on Lesson 1, Teacher-Led Video, you're going to see a video is going to pop up. All you have to do is push play.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's 4th grade expository writing lesson.
These video lessons are going to teach you the entire lesson. It is even going to walk you through the activities of what needs to be completed. Now, if we go back, you're going to see underneath every lesson is the video along with the activity sheets that go with that lesson. Now, you can click here to view the activity sheets, but if you'd like to download them and print them, you simply have to scroll to the very bottom. So you can see here, this is lesson 1. If you scroll to the very bottom, you're going to see all the PDFs here with the little green square that says PDF. So if you go here, Lesson 1, see right here where it's underlined, I click on that and it's going to open it up as a PDF and then you're able to print it or you can download it to your computer. Okay, so let's go back up and review this one more time. Let's go to Lesson 10. Okay, so let's say you're getting ready to do Lesson 10 and you want to make sure you have your activity sheets printed out and in front of you. You're going to want to scroll down to the bottom where you see the green PDF to Lesson 10 right here. See, Section 1, Lesson 10. Click on it. It's going to open it up. You can print those out. And then you're going to go back up to where it has Lesson 10 and you're going to click on the video where it says Teacher-Led Lessons. So the videos are the teacher-led lessons. You're going to click on it. It's going to open up that lesson and all you have to do is push play.
Hello everyone, welcome.
These lessons are going to walk you through a review of the previous lesson. It's going to walk you through what you're learning in today's lesson. And it's also going to walk you through all the activities that you'll be doing throughout the lesson and reviewing with you, along with giving you time at the end for revising your essay and making it better. Now, if you don't want to print all the activity sheets, another option that you can do is get like a spiral notebook or composition book and just simply label the top of each page. So let's say for Lesson 10, let's go back to Lesson 10. You open up these activity sheets and you want to do the activity, but you're not going to be able to print it out. You can just simply write Lesson 10 at the top and then you can just either rewrite this activity sheet on a piece of paper, or you can just simply fill in the answers on your activity sheet. So you can see here, for example, Lesson 10, you're writing an essay. You can write that essay on your notebook paper or your composition book paper. So that is an option as well. And the way that this curriculum is designed is that every lesson builds on the next. So they are meant to go in the order they're in. So you're going to do Lesson 1, then Lesson 2, then Lesson 3. And every time you do a lesson, you're going to learn a little bit more until you build to that whole essay. I also want to bring to your attention, you can see here that Section 1 is non-text-based expository writing. There's no text, meaning no passages used for Section 1. This is your basic foundations of writing. This is how you learn the simple structure of writing. Once you get done with Section 1, you're going to see here, after Lesson 22 starts Section 2, which is informative writing. Now, starting with Section 2, moving forward, these lessons are going to be text-based, meaning there's going to be passages. So as an example, if I click on Lesson 26 here for activity sheets, you're going to see that it has the activity sheet and then it also has the passages that go with it. So you're going to want to make sure you have some sort of binder or pocket folder that you can put these passages in because you're going to be using them in various lessons. And then as you continue scrolling down, you can see after lesson 48, you're going to hit section 3, opinion writing, and then there's section 4, narrative writing, and then section 5 is additional activities and strategies. And all of this can be seen if you click up top here on table of contents. You're going to see it all listed out for you, every single section, every single lesson, and what is taught in that lesson. All right, well, if you all have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to you. My digital team is here to support you throughout the school year, and we wish you the best. Have a great day.